We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome back to a special clean with me. So this is a clean with me and party prep. I'm hoping to give you lots of cleaning motivation, and also if you need any girl ideas for birthday party decor, then this might be the video for you. And everything is sort of on a budget, so it's some really good ideas, and I hope that it does give you cleaning motivation. So yeah, I hope you do enjoy the video. If you're new here, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and let's go.
Here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in, so give me a sign. I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. Talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more. Who knows what you think about me? And I know I shouldn't care. I really tried my best, but I can't make you happy. And I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could. I don't know how or what I could have done better. Baby, I really tried the best I could. I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you. I've played my part for nothing, and I did it all for you, for you. Yeah, we've been through this, I'm not the one you need right now, and I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could, the best I could. I can't stop time for you.
So this bubbly stand, basically I wanted to put in pink lemonade, so non-alcoholic bubbly, for Isabella's birthday, because where she's going to be 10, it's like that sort of as they're getting a bit older, and it's quite a cool little idea, and yeah, her friends absolutely loved it. So yeah, I would definitely link everything that I got below, because these are just good to have in your party supplies for any future parties. So if you ever want to get something like this out, it's a good thing that you can keep it, you don't just throw it away. So yeah, anything that I do show in this video, it would all be linked in the description, so do check that out if you want to know where I got everything from.
This right now, right now, right now. Okay. Right, so 1, 2, 3. I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you. Can't stop time for you. Won't you get out my way, get out my way. I don't need this right now. I don't need this right now.
I wish you'd stay, but there you go. I have so much I wanna say to you, much I wanna say, but there's no time. We used it all. Still have so much I wanna talk about, but I messed it up and there you go. Oh, 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 oh. There you go, walking out that door. It felt so close, oh, 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 so close, closer than it felt before. Forgiving me, and I just want you to know I didn't mean it. Baby, I just wanna be with you. I should be with you. There is so much that I would change about the way I treated you. I don't
So here I've got the party bags, and then I've also got these boxes which are basically for the picnic lunch boxes basically. I just thought it was a really good idea to separate all of their food and do like little sandwiches, so basically do a little packed lunch for them, so they're not sort of diving into all of the food like on the side and everything else, because that can just get a bit messy. So I just thought that this was a really good idea to do, and it just so they get their individual what they like. And yeah, I was going for a picnic theme anyway.
I didn't mean it. Baby, I just wanna be with you. I should be with you. I don't wanna feel this way, but it's not that easy. You're complicating things for me. No, it's not that easy. Maybe just a little time can heal me, but it doesn't feel the way. What are you doing to me? Why'd you break my heart? Left me in the dark, dark. Why'd you have to go? I don't wanna feel this way. Though I'm broken, I'm still hoping I could be with you.
So here we go. Do you see a theme here? I mean, literally a month ago, I was just saying how I was so unprepared and unwrapping Harrison's presents the night before. And here I am doing it again with Isabella's. But to be fair, I did start like a few days before at least, so I didn't have as many to wrap up. But still, I wish I just organised myself and wrapped as I bought them.
I'm just that stupid. Thought that we were meant to be. Yeah, I'm just that stupid. Maybe just a little time can make you change your mind about us. I thought that we were meant to be. Why'd you break my heart? Left me in the dark, dark. Why'd you have to go?
Okay, so here I go with the electric balloon blower again. And you know what? This time I cracked the code. I managed to do it without actually blowing it up in my face. And that was just because I kind of learned a little knack of how to do it. So if you just sort of press it little bits at a time, then it won't just stay on and you get stuck on it, basically. So yeah, I do actually recommend this. It did make my life a lot easier instead of having to manually blow them up.
Loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now. Yeah, loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now. But somewhere I go and hide, looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere I go and hide, looking for a new start, for a new start. Looking for a new, looking for a new, looking for a new, looking for a. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, don't wanna be stuck in this town. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, looking for a new start. I have told you many times now. Yeah, can't you see that I just need to be by myself? I have told you many times now. But somewhere I go and hide, looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere I go and hide, looking for a new start, for a new start. Trapped, don't wanna be down, don't wanna be stuck in this town. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, looking for a new start.
Okay, so now we're on to the next day. This was about 6:30 in the morning. I had to try and set up the garden for Isabella before she woke up. So here's me doing it, and to be honest, I was tidying it up right up to people arriving because I just wasn't as organised this time. But I was moving that over there, and also you will see a lot of my grass has basically died. So I apologise about that, but anyway, I'm basically hoping to do a big garden transformation next summer, like maybe March. I just never had the time, and with everything that went on this year, it was really difficult. So yeah, I am hoping to get artificial grass, and I'm going to be laying it out so much better. But for now, I'm just going to have to deal with it like this, and maybe water it more. That might help. Okay, so this was actually something that I hired and picked up for Isabella's birthday from Love Lane Events. They are on Instagram, I will tag them below, but yeah, really liked this idea. You'll see the finished look in a minute.
You say you're fine, but I can see right through. You're holding your secrets for way too long. This can't keep going on. With every lie, they keep on hurting you, getting away with everything they do. This can't keep going on, no. We're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions. They can't run, they can't hide. We won't stop until they're down. We'll be running with the lions, lions. I'll go through fire, I'll climb the mountains for you. Tell me, 'cause I'm looking out for you. This can't keep going on, no. 'Cause you're not alone in this. We'll do this together. No, you're not alone in this. No, we're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions. They can't run, they can't hide. We won't stop until they're down. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We're gonna find them. La 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 la. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions.